How do we make full use of the content review activities, the online ones within Quizlet? A really useful activity in Quizlet is tests. So if I click on it here, what it enables me to do is to set a test for my class after a lesson or say a unit. And you can see you can set a test with different types of questions and whatever length you want it to be. So if I put in 20 here, here's a 20 question test with 5 true or false questions. And it's got 5 multi-choice questions, 5 matching questions, and so on. The student does it, then they get a grade at the end of it in the form of a percentage. What you'll need to do is get them to send a screenshot of that to you via email or on Google Classroom so you've got a record, or you just need to go around the class, get them to wait so you can see what they got. Just decide it and record it. Another way you can use test is if you go to options and you just make it matching and you just go for 5 questions, you can use it as a starter activity. The way to do that would be to use snip. So if I type in snip here under the search, it should work on all teacher laptops. And I go new. So I'm going to need just this activity here. This content, this part where it gives you half of the activity. So I snip that or take a photo of it basically, and then I'll delete that slide. And then I can just paste that part of the activity there. Now it's only half of it. So if I go back here, here are the answers here. So if I type in snip again, there it is, new one. And now I need those little ones there. So I've got that. And then I go back here, right click, and there's the rest of it. Okay, so now this is all dependent on whether your projector is large enough and students are close enough to see all this. Otherwise, you can just press print and make a worksheet on Quizlet for your starter activity. Okay. Now, the other big problem with this, if you're going to use the project version, is there's no A, B, C, D stuff, so kids are going to need to copy things out in full. So what you can do is you can either manually add numbers and letters, so they can just write the numbers and letters for purposes of making it quick, or so I'd go insert text box, and so this would be 1, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And then I could make these ones letter ones. All right, so okay, and then I'd make these A, B, C, and D, and then they just have to write 1 and then the letter. Or if this was on a whiteboard, your projector was going onto a whiteboard, you could just manually write in the numbers and the letters, and that would make it quicker for your students as a starter activity. So there we have it, Quizlet test.